Hello YouTube, AnyTheGamer here. Today I'm going to show you something pretty cool. I'm here with my dog Star. Star, how you doing? Alright, so let's get right into it. So I set up a chair here, which is going to be important in a moment because you're about to see why. So, we have this here, which looks like a nest, and birds. Little baby birds here. I mean, I'd pet them if I could, but pets I shouldn't. Up here is a better view of them. They just look so adorable. I know I'm trying to raise the brightness, but never mind. So yeah, we have two little baby birds in there. It's quite cool. Now their mother isn't around. Their mother's probably hunting food for them. I don't know where she is. But their mother is in there with them. I mean, I saw her earlier. I remember just a couple days ago when these were just eggs. Just a mother and a couple of eggs. Oh, they're looking. Probably like, what the heck is going on? Why is this kid holding this iPad up to us? Guys, I'm glad I got to show that to you. Yeah. I mean, what are the odds that some bird will just build a nest in your yard, lay eggs there, and then just settle a family? I mean, it's really awesome. I mean, I wish this had more quality. I wish it was better, but hey, it's better than nothing. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends about me on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, subscribe to PewDiePie. He's losing the sub battle, and he needs help. Alright, now officially bye.